Dive into a new look with this Life is Better at the Lake stenciled sign project from designerstencils.com. After choosing your reclaimed wood sign, spray the backside of your stencil with repositionable spray adhesive. Position the stencil and secure with frog tape painter's tape. Soak your stencil brush with Americana acrylic paint and remove excess paint using a stack of paper towels. Brush the paint through the stencil using numerous light coats. Proceed until the shading is full and even. If desired, use additional colors for other design elements. When finished, peel the stencil up and away to reveal your stylish new sign. To protect your creation, add a couple of coats of acrylic sealer. For more tips and ideas, visit designerstencils.com today.